Welcome to Maths Online class. Today I am continuing and finishing the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So far we are solved so many problems on this, right? Now here is 8, 9, right? Okay, September, okay, 7th, 8th, right? I am continuing with the exercise problems. So far we have solved so many exercise problems. Today I am doing only the exercise problems and finishing the chapter, right? So next on the same day evening, if you have any doubt, you can clarify your doubts regarding the exercise problems. Clear? After that I am going to continue or start with the new chapter. Clear? Now in this I am not going to write any questions, just I am writing the question number and exercise number, right? Now I am start with the question number 15, exercise 5.3. so you write down this exercise, EXERCISE, exercise 5.3. okay, in that 15th question, just I'm reading the question, just go through that. A contract and construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Now, what is the meaning of this? First, analyze the question. For example, if consider you are the contractor, you are constructing a given work. That means a job is given to you to construct some building and all. For that they fix the date. So within that date you should finish the work. Otherwise, per day they are charging rupees 200. First day they are charging rupees 200. Then also if you are not completed, then each day 50 rupees increasing. That means 200, 250, 300, 350, etc. etc. Like that you are delaying 30 days. So how much rupees you should pay as penalty? That is what the question meaning. Now convert this statement problem in terms of arithmetic progression. That means you should write the AP for this. Clear? So question I am not writing. You just keep the textbook, then see the textbook, read the textbook before you are reading, pause the video, and then after reading just go through the video. Clear? Now first thing is what you can write is given A equals 200. Okay, first if you want you can write the AP. AP is what? First day 200, then second day 250, third day 300, then 350, etc. etc. Like this, here is the AP. So in this AP, A is 200 and D is 50, right? Then you write down given what? A equals 200, D equals 250 minus 200 equals 50. Then N, how many days delayed? 30 days. Okay, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Starting from 200, you should go on right like this: 200, 250, 300, 350, etc., etc. So this is what the sum of an arithmetic series. So we have to add 200, then 250, 300, 350, like that. So this is the given. Then what is the formula? Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So write the formula. To write this, you will get a mass, half mass, like that. Then substitute the value as 30 equals 30 by 2 into 2 of A value is 200 plus N value is 30 minus 1, D value is 50. Look at the substitution. Then here is possible, we can divide 15 into 200 into 2 is 400 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 of 50, right? Then 15 into 400 plus, now multiply, 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 2s are 10, plus 4, 14, 1 0, add it. Now 1400 plus 400, how much? 1850. Now multiply this 1850 into 15. Yeah. Now 15 0 is 0, 15 5s are, okay, 75, 5 carry 7, 15 8s are, 15 8s are, 80 plus 40, 90. Yeah, 90 plus 7, 97, carry 9, 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 24. So, how much? He has to pay a penalty of rupees 24,750. Yeah. This is what? The question number 15 answer. Clear this? Now, look at that once again. First, you should write the AP form. Then, write down what is given. A value is given, D value is given, N value is given. Then, substitute that with the suitable formula. Then, simplify. You will get rupees 24,750. Clear this? Okay. Now see the 16th problem. What it is given? A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. Find the value of each of the prizes. Okay, so you have 700 rupees. Now question number 16. Question number 16. You have 700 rupees. Now you have to divide this 700 rupees. Now out of this 700 rupees, you have to purchase 7 prices. So keep it in your mind. Each price, that means first place something, then second place should be 20 rupees less than price. Okay, like that 20 is less. So first price we don't know that. So first price is the highest one. Clear? Though let the first price be, let the first price amount, first price amount be rupees A. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ rupees A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. Then what is the second price? Second price amount. Second price amount. What is the first price is A? 20 rupees less. So we should write like this: A minus 20. So rupees A minus 20. Then third price amount is rupees. For this, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನೇದು, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 20 ಕಡಿಮೆ. So second price minus 20. So this becomes what? A minus 40, like this. So go on like this. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Then you can add it. You will get the same answer. Say for example, A, then A minus 20, A minus 40, A minus 60, A minus 80, and A minus 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A minus 120. See, just I am showing you what is the amount, but we should use the formula. Don't write like this. Clear? So, and adding all these things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 A. 120 plus 80, 200, plus 200, 400, plus 100, 500. Yeah. So 7A minus 500. This should be equal to total amount of price. How much that? Total amount of price 700. Okay. So look at this. 700. Then 7A is equal to 700 plus 500. That is 7 plus 5, 1200. Then A is equal to 1200 by 7. But we are not getting the division. So if you are doing like this, we will get the wrong answer. Clear? So instead of that, what you can do is you can use the what? Formula. Okay. Now what is the formula? A comma A minus 20 comma A minus 40, right? Etc. etc. Now A is A. B is what? A minus 20 minus A. So this cancel. So minus 20. And N is equal to 7. Now substitute this in the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now S 7 equals 7 by 2 into 2A, we don't know that. Keep it as it is, plus n means 7 minus 1 into D value is minus 20. Look at the negative sign. Now the sum of all these things is 700. Okay, now shift this 2 to this side. Into 2 by 700 is equal to 2a plus, here is 6 minus 2 is minus 6 2s are 120. Now this is 6 into minus 20. Clear this? Now 7 1s are 7 hundreds are 100 into 2 200. Shift this 120 to this side plus 120 equals 2a. Then what is 200 plus 1? 2a is equal to 320. Then a is equal to 320 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 0. Therefore, first prize amount. First prize amount equals rupees 160. Then, easy to find out the remaining prizes. So, second prize is 20 less than the previous one, minus 20 equals 140. So, go on subtracting 20. 120, then 100, then 80, then 60, then 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, when you add all these things, how much amount you should get? 700. So, look at this. 160 plus 40, 200. 200 plus 200, 400 plus 200, 600 plus 100, 700. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಸಾರಿ ನೀವು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Now let us take the 17th question. Okay, what it says, 17th question. Now, according to this, in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree. A section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So, first read the question, analyze it first. Okay. Now, for example, they are given that each section, that means each class has 3 sections. Okay, first standard 3, second standard 3, like that. So, totally 12th class means 12 into 3, 36 class. That means here you are having 36 terms like that. Okay, now let us take the first one, class 1 given, class first planting 1 tree. Then 3 section. So they are planting 3 trees. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3 section is equal to 3 trees. 1 class 1 tree according to the given statement. So there are 3 sections, therefore 3 trees they are planting. So like this, class 2. So they are planting 2 trees. So 3 section. So here is 2 into 3. So how much? 6 trees. 6 trees. Now class 3. 3 trees they are planting. Each planting 3 trees. So again there is a 3 section. Therefore 3 into 3, that is 9 trees. So when you look at these numbers, so this is appeared to as the multiples of 3, right? Therefore, so it continues like this. Therefore, the AP is what? 3, 6, 9, then 12, etc. Now write down A is equal to 3, then B equals 6 minus 3 is 3, then N equals 12. How many sections are there? 12 sections are there. Therefore, you have to take it as how much? 12 sections. Right? Okay. Now, after knowing all these things, then take the formula. What is that? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, what is n? 12 by 2 into 2 of a value is 3 plus n value is 12 minus 1 into d value is 3. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are. So this is 6 into 2 3s are 6 plus 11 into 3. Now I'm continuing here. Now this is 6 into, so S12 equals 6 into 6 plus 11 3s are 33. Now 6 into 39, 54, 5, 18 plus 5, 23. So totally how much? 34 plants. So that school has planting how much? 234 plants they are planting. Clear? Now look at that once again. What the number of classes? Number of classes is how much? 12 classes. Each there are 3 sections. Therefore, first class 3 section, so 3 trees. Second class 3 sections into 2 is 6 trees. Like that, it continues. Then AP is 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. etc. Clear this? So this is what? The 17th question. Now look at the 18th question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B. Starting with center A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, comma 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, etc. etc. as shown in figure 5.4. what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? See, read again the question twice or thrice. Analyze that. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B. Starting with center A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, etc. etc. That means each semicircle is increased by 0.5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total length of such 13 semicircles. Right. Now here you should take the pi value they are given that. If they are not given, so what they are given you should take it. Okay. So it is simplifying the answer. Clear? Now look at this. This is the spiral. What they given, we are written like this. Here spiral means like this. Okay. Here is the center A. First they are mentioned that the radii of the semicircles. So now first semicircle, the radius is 0.5 centimeter. So 0.5 centimeter radius circle, semicircle is like this. Okay. Now next is here making this as center and radius equal to 1 centimeter. That means 0.5 increased. So here from here to here is 0.5 and from here to here is 0.5. So totally 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter radius means here is 1, here is 0.5, 1. So your spiral is like this. So this is a B. Center is B. Clear this? So here from this is the center. From this center here to here is 1 centimeter. So here to here is 1 centimeter. That is radius. So it becomes the diameter. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? Then again the center shift to A. So when you shift to A, then what the radius you should take? From here to here is 0.5. From here to here is 1.5. So radius is 1.5. Then extend like this. Here is a 0.5. Then again 0.5, 0.5. So from here you should write the semicircle like this. So with this center, this is the third semicircle. So this is a L1 and this is second and this is third. So look at this. Like this it goes on changing the semicircles, increasing the radii by 0.5 centimeter. Now what the length we have to find out. So you know that circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. Semicircle you want by 2, so it will get cancelled. You will get a pi r. So pi r is the length of the semicircle circumference. Pi r is the length of the semicircle. Clear this? Okay. Now how to continue this? Okay. Let us take the given one. Radius R1 is equal to 0.5, R2 is equal to centimeter is given 1 centimeter, etc. etc. Then here consider this as A is 0.5 centimeter and D is 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Clear? Then length of spiral, length of spiral is equal to 13 consecutive semicircles. consecutive semicircles. So here look at this. Semicircle's length is what? Pi r. Semicircle's length is pi r. So what you can do is now pi r1 plus pi r2. So capital we are used. So like this. Now this is what? 13 into pi r. Here r is equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus etc up to 13. So that we should take it. Now what is the given? 13 into pi value they given that 22/7 into r value. So r value what to take? Now here is 0.5 plus 1 plus 0.1.5 etc. So here you already taken 13. Clear? So pi into, so here is a, I'm taking this pi r1 r2 etc. So pi common, then this is r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus etc. Here itself you can write this one. Then so up to 13 terms. Now pi into r1 r2 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus etc. plus 13 terms. Now this is what? 22/7 into 0.5. So apply the formula. Sn formula is what? n/2. 13/2 into 2 into 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 into 0.5. So clear this? This is what? According to the formula. Then here it is not possible to cancel. So you write down as it is 22/7 into 13/2 into bracket. So what is this? 2 into 0.5. So half. So it becomes 1 plus. Here is 12 into 0.5. That is 22/7 into 13/2 into 12. Half is 6 plus 1 is 7. Here is 1 plus 6. So it becomes 7. So 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now 11 3s are 33. 3 carry. 11 ones are 11 plus 3 14. So what is the length of the 13 consecutive spirals? Radius means first radius is 0.5 centimeter, second radius is 1 centimeter, like this 13 consecutive semicircles. So semicircles length is pi r. So here is radii are given, so you should take it as a r1, r2, r3 etc. up to 13 terms. Then r1 0.5, 1, 1.5 etc. 13 terms. See, this is one AP. Now use this AP and find out the or substitute the formula. Write the formula: n/2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So when you do that and substitute the values, you will get the length of the spiral bind is or spiral is 143 centimeters. Clear? Now look at the 19th question. So 19th question is what? Logs. You know that logs are arranging in a timber depot. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row. So 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? Clear? So I will just show you that. Here is a bottom row. That means what? 20 logs are there in the first one. Then next row like this. So it is decreasing like this. It is decreasing like this. See, 200 logs. So how many rows you can arrange these 200 logs of a wood? Okay, like this. Go through the textbook. You have the questions and all. Now, how to proceed this question? For that, let us the number of rows be n. Let the number of rows be n. Number of rows be n, and number of logs and number of logs in the bottom row, number of logs in the top row. In the top row be A. So first you take like this. Okay. Then here the first row is 20 and 19. Therefore AN is 200, D equals 1, and SN equals how much? This is 200. AN is 20 terms. So total number is 200. Okay. Now what you can write is SN formula. You can take SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So N means 20. S20 equals 20 by 2 into A plus, here is last term is given. So sorry. So AN formula, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. Okay. Now first term we don't know that. N is also we don't know that. Minus 1 into 1 equals AN is 20. Then A plus N minus 1 equals 20. Then A plus N is equal to 20 plus 1. A plus N is equal to 21. Are you clear this? See, 20 terms. That means the last term they given 20 terms are there. n is 20, d is the difference they given 20 first row is 20 log, next row is 19 log, 1 log is less. So total log is 200. So use this a plus n is equal to 21. Then let us take this Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Here is 200, n we don't know that, n by 2 into a plus L means how many terms that? 20. Okay, this is 20. Then simplifying this, 400 is equal to n into a plus 20. Then 400 is equal to an plus 20 n. Then an plus 20n minus 400 is equal to 0. Hear this? Understood? Then replace a. Now look at this. Then a is equal to 21 minus n. A is equal to 21 minus n. So 21 minus n into n plus 20n minus 400 equals 0. Then 21n minus n square plus 20n minus 400 is equal to 0. Now here is minus n square plus 20 plus 20. Is it clear? Right? Plus 41n minus 400 is equal to 0. Now on shifting to right side, see minus n square is there. So I am writing here n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So 41 means 20 into 21. Is it right? 20 into 21 is a 420 is there. So we can't take that one. So next is a 25 into 16. 25 into 16, 41. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals 0. So I am writing directly minus 25 into n minus 16 equals 0. So you have two values, right? Then n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 60. That means number of rows, either n is equal to 16 or n is equal to 25. So first case, when n is equal to 25, then here is a, look at this one, a plus n is equal to 21. No, then a is equal to 21 minus 25 equals minus 4. So is it minus 4 is accepted? No, this is rejected. So n 25, number of rows cannot be 25. So second case is when n is equal to 16, a is equal to 21 minus 16, so a is equal to 5. So this is what? The first row. How many logs are there? 5 logs are there. Clear? So go through once again the problems. Pass it where you are not understand. Clear your doubt. If you have any doubt, then ask in the doubt clearance class. Clear? Okay. Bye.